Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where I explore all things UX and UI design, and today we're going to be talking about text styles. So first things first, what is a text style? Text styles are predefined styles that you can create that allow you to maintain consistency throughout your design. Let's create an example section of what would go on our website. Let's say there's an image and it's got a title. Let's set that to auto to fix that. And let's say it's got some paragraph text. Let's also create an auto layout, and we're gonna fill the container, and let's style this a tiny bit just to make it look a bit pretty. Our title is gonna be semi-bold for now, or in fact let's leave that as is, and we can group these because they're related fields, and then I'm gonna increase the margin here just a tiny bit and decrease the margin there. So let's say we've got 3 of these. Let's increase our artboard just a little bit. That's perfect. Let's center align that. Okay, so here we have a typical layout for anything that would be on a website. And what we want to do is that we want to create a text style that would save us time when it comes to editing these 3 fields here. So what we want to do is come up here to local styles, and then we see 4 options: text, color, effect, and grid. For now, we're going to create a text style. We're going to give it a name. I'll call it paragraph text, and a little description for if you're working in a team. Default styles for all landing page text, well, body text. And what I'll do is that I'll define a style. So I'm going to pick the font size assistant. I'm going to pick the font style, assistant. I'm going to go to 14. We get a lovely little preview up here so we know exactly what we're doing. I'm going to go with regular for now, but I'm going to also apply some spacing to it. And there we go, I'm going to create a style. So if I click and highlight these, what I can then do is click on the 4 dots here, and I'll apply the style. Now as we can see, it's really small, we can't see it. So what we can then do is click here to edit the style, and we can just play around with it. We can get exactly what we're looking for. And that would be how you'd create your text style and how you'd edit your text style. So what if we wanted more? What if we wanted to have a consistent theme across the entire site with our titles? Well, we can go back in, create another text style, and call that title styles. We're going to skip the description for now because the name is a lot more descriptive in this sense. We're going to bump that up to about 25. I'm going to make that semi-bold, and then we're going to holding Alt. If you hover over a section that's grouped and you hold Command on a Mac, you can hover over each section and select them individually. So we're going to do that with title. Then we're going to hold Shift to multi-select, and then we're going to come down here again to style, and we're going to apply that. Again, as you see, it's a little bit smaller than we'd want, so I'm going to click that style again. I'm going to go down to the settings, and I'm going to, using Shift, I'm going to bump that up to 44. And that would be how you would create your text styles, apply your text styles, and edit your text styles in Figma. Let me know in the comments below if you use this in any of your designs, or if you're already using text styles, let me know how you're getting on, and I'll see you in the next video.